I don't like this journey of isolation. I don't like this journey of being still. This is the most painful part of a human journey when God separates you from everybody. When He sets you apart. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm just trying to gather my emotions. It is so hard. He makes you deal with all the pain, little by little, event by event, person by person, that has ever affected you and hurt you in your life. He digs it all up, makes you face it and deal with it. And this is the moment I'm the most angry at Him. Because now I see what He's doing. I don't like it. I don't like it. That's where I'm at right now in this journey, y'all. I don't like this part. I don't like this part. I don't like it.